Lesson 111, Volume and Surface Area of a Sphere. Remember when we talked about the volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder that contains it. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. Well, a sphere takes up 2/3 the volume of a cylinder that contains it. So the volume of a sphere equals 2/3 the volume of the cylinder that contains it. Well, the diameter of the sphere, so the sphere diameter is equal to the height of the cylinder. So if the height of this cylinder were 20 centimeters, that is what's going to be the diameter of the sphere. So our formula for volume of a sphere is equal to 2/3 area of the base of that cylinder that would hold the sphere times the height. So this is the height of the cylinder. This is the area of the cylinder base that would hold the sphere. So the volume of the sphere is 2/3. The area of the base of the cylinder is pi r squared. Now, since the height of the cylinder is the diameter, we can call the diameter 2r for 2 times the radius. Then we can simplify and say the volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3, we multiplied these 2's, pi r cubed. We're going to box it up here because this is a super awesome formula. The next one is how to find the surface area of the sphere. It's actually 4 times the area of the great circle. The great circle is a circle that goes right through the middle of the sphere. That area will fit 4 times exactly around the outside of the sphere. So the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So we're going to do an example just using this figure right up here above where the diameter is 20 centimeters. Find the volume and surface area of that sphere. So the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Well, the radius is 10, so we'll do 4/3 times pi times 10 cubed, which is 1,000. So that is 4,000 divided by 3 pi centimeters cubed. And if we wanted to approximate, we would multiply by 3.14 and divide by 3. And we would get 4,186 2/3 centimeters cubed. The surface area would be 4 times pi times radius squared. So we'd have 4 times pi, the radius is 10, when we square it we get 100. So it's going to be equal to 400 pi centimeters squared. And if we wanted to approximate, we could multiply it by 3.14, the 400, and we get 1,256 centimeters squared. And that's the end of the lesson.